Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need Zoom turned on first. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Zoom and switch it on. Once done, go to the screen you want to change and double tap with 3 fingers to zoom in. If you prefer visible controls, enable the Zoom controller in the same menu. It places a small button you can tap to open the Zoom interface. Make sure you can perform 3-finger gestures. Practice a quick double tap to confirm the phone responds before continuing. Now focus on adjusting the view. Pinch with 3 fingers inward to zoom out or outward to zoom in. This gives fast, smooth control. Alternatively, double tap with 3 fingers and while keeping the second tap held, drag up or down to change magnification precisely. If you enabled the Zoom controller, tap it and use the slider to set an exact %. This is useful when you need a consistent view. Make small adjustments until the screen fits how you want it. To finish, double tap with 3 fingers to return to normal view. If you're still zoomed, repeat until it exits. For a precise reset, open the Zoom controller and set magnification to 100%. If gestures don't work, make sure no screen protector or case blocks touch response, then try toggling zoom off in settings. As a last resort, restart the iPhone. This clears temporary gesture hiccups and restores reliable zoom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.